It's Claire Desira here, and today I want to play a game. Imagine you were stuck on an island, a deserted island. You're stranded there, you can only take 3 things. What would you take? I would take mint slices, I'd take soda water, cannot get enough of the stuff, and I would also take gratitude. Might seem silly, bit of a waste. This is certainly not about being able to just sit on the beach and blissfully imagine that everything is okay and #blessed all over the place. And it's not about believing that positive thinking means that we could just think our way positively out of a castaway situation. This is actually about survival, because when we're stuck somewhere like a desert island, our negativity bias that our brain loves to play with can actually go into overdrive, which means it can actually be taking a lot of energy and time to go through all of the worst case scenarios and to ruminate on all of those worst case scenarios. And in a funny way, doing that gives us a sense of control. It actually makes us feel a little bit more like we're in control, because we can feel like we're more prepared and that we know what actions we take if all of those worst case scenarios happened. But we can easily get stuck ruminating in the worst case and feeling that perceived sense of control. But the reality is there are many things that are out of our control. And that's where gratitude can really support us. It can support us to see the bigger picture. It can support us to problem solve. It can support us to see things differently and what's really in front of us. It can support us when we're overthinking things that are out of our control, when we're spinning our wheels and we're procrastinating. It can help us see what is right in front of us. It is about survival. At Top 5 Movement, we've been working with people in 40 countries to harness neuroscience. And gratitude, not positive thinking, but gratitude is just one of the tools that we pick up and play with and experiment with and show how it actually is a part of a team survival kit. A team that is feeling stranded, maybe out of control or destabilized by change. It all comes back to neuroscience. The other thing, gratitude is also one of the most instrumental ways to improve our happiness, so you get a bonus there. Mindset and resilience training like this is not a nice idea. It's not something you can just put on your wish list and think that you'll get around to one day. It's actually a must, and it needs to be in your survival kit. If you want to explore what this could look like for your team, then follow the links below and by all means book some time directly in my diary and let's have a chat about what it could mean for your team and how it could support you to get better results and to take care of each other and build stronger relationships even during change. And if you want to give this a crack for yourself, then come back always to the most simplest tool that we love to talk about, and that is at the end of each day, picking up a pen and writing down 3 to 5 things that you're grateful for. The small wins, the things that didn't happen that you're relieved about, the tiny, tiny moments. They're so worth noticing, and they retrain and change your brain every time you do it. If you've already been following a practice like this, then you want some bonus points or to take it to the next level, then write down those tiny moments and also just take a minute to think about why. Why are they on your list that day? And that can also just help that practice and training your brain to the next level. Please stay safe. We're here to support you and your teams. And we really hope you're taking care of yourselves and each other during this strange time. We'll see you next week.